Okay, and we'll open the box with this Momix Pro with the hard box, guys. So just pull it here and here. Okay, Momix, and you'll see a manual, owner's manual. Yeah, and here's the. We'll go first with the accessories. So here we have the USB-C to USB Type-C, okay, for the computer, guys. And next is we have the okay, this is from USB Type-C to auxiliary 3.5. Okay, this is for the iPad or any device with the auxiliary or mixer can be. And this one is very thick. So we have here a Type-C to Type-C, guys, for the phone or the tablet. Yes, one like this. I think there are two. Yes, this one. Another Type-C to Type-C, guys, for the phone. And this is important, guys. There is an adapter of this one. Just cut it. Okay. And these are the adapter for lightning cable, guys, because we need this one. We cannot use the actual wire of the iPhone or any devices. Okay, guys? And this one, put it here for charging only. But when you put it on the live, you must have this one. Remember this one. Okay, for live stream. Put it on your phone. Show you how. For the Apple, like this. Yeah, when you are taking live, like this. This logo with the camera and the headset. Okay, because if you put it here, it will not record. Okay, it's only for charging. Remember the picture and the headset. Okay, this is adapter two. There are two. So this is two for the other one. Yeah, for any iPad or tablet can be for live stream. Okay, and we check the unit, guys. And this is the unit. We remove the cover. Okay, so we have here two input. This is mic 1 and then mic 2, guys. And if you have a keyboard here, you put keyboard here. This one, right and left. Okay, for instrument you have a volume. Okay, and this one is the monitor for your actual sound. This comes with the two monitor, auxiliary 1, 2, 3, and this one is for the out. You can out it on the speaker or any sound. Okay, and this is the volume. Okay, Okay, I'll show you how to open this one. Okay, just hold this button, power button. Yes, there we go. Yes. So if you will put on the channel 1 any instrument, microphone, violin, or any guitar, put it here. But make sure to click this channel 1. Yes. And the OTG is for the sounds, your -1. Click that one. Okay? Channel 2, same thing. Hold it and then don't forget to press the OTG. This is for the live stream and for your -1 or any iPad tablet. Okay? You must press this OTG. Okay? And the channel 1 has a different types of reverb. Reverb 1, 2. So, no reverb. Reverb 1, reverb 2, and then reverb 3. Okay? 3 times of reverb for the mic. This is the main volume for the channel 1 and the channel 2 here. So channel 2 here, you put here, insert the cable here. So reverb 1, 2, 3. Okay? And this is the out. So main volume, you will adjust it here. Okay? This is the Momix. And then I will try the sample sound of the Momix. Okay? Hey guys.